If you want to transfer data from iPhone to Xiaomi 17, then here's what you need to do. So in this case, we can use the MI Mover app that we already have on our Xiaomi 17, and it is an app that is used to transfer data. In this case, on Xiaomi 17, of course, we don't have to download it, but we have to download it on our iPhone. So we can go to the App Store, we can easily search for the app, we can type MI Mover, there we go, and we should be able to find the app. Unfortunately, for some reason, the name is Chinese. I'm not sure why, there is no translation, but this is the app that you want to get, and of course, once you have it, you want to open it. Now, here on iPhone, we want to select that this is our old phone, of course. We will open this QR code scanner. So now on Xiaomi 17, we're going to tap that this is a new phone, and our old device is an Apple iPhone, of course. So we're going to allow all the necessary permissions, and now let's scan this QR code that we have in here. There we go, and confirm that you want to join the network. Afterwards, both devices should try to connect with each other. There we go. So we need to wait. In case there couldn't be the connection couldn't be created, we can try again, of course. So we can keep going until it works. And there we go. Now, in here we can select whatever we want to transfer. So we can decide to transfer everything that we can. But in my case, I'm just going to transfer images, as I don't need to transfer anything more. And once you are ready, just tap on the transfer in here and then just wait until everything is transferred. Of course, the more files you have, the longer it will take to transfer everything. And one thing that you have to keep in mind is that you cannot transfer everything from your iPhone to Xiaomi, simply because, for example, apps, they cannot be really transferred because they are built in a slightly different way. So you will have to go to the Play Store and you will have to download your apps manually by yourself, of course. And you might be surprised because in some cases certain apps are built only on iOS and they might not be available on Xiaomi. However, the majority of apps are available on both systems, so you should be able to find them anyway. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.